This is one of two beehives I'll be establishing this coming spring. I know it's only September, but you know, I've got the hive. It's too late in the year to establish it right now, but it is all set up. Now this is the way that it comes, all painted and ready to go. And what I've got there is two deep hive bodies on the bottom, and then two honey supers on top. Telescoping cover, my inner cover here, and then on both of my deep hive bodies and my two honey supers, I have the 10 frames, and of course these on top are the ones that already have foundation in them to help the bees get started. And when we get down, these won't be on when we first set up the box, and this one deep body won't be on either. But you can see these are the ones for the deep body, have the foundation already in them, so these will be all ready to go probably in December or January. I will be purchasing my bees or ordering my bees, and I'm going to be ordering those. I believe the closest place to me is New York, about an hour away. I'll be ordering my bees from there. So when the weather is a little bit warmer, I'll run over to New York and pick up my bees, bring them back home, and establish my colony in my beehive. So, yeah. I think as a prepper and being mindful of the things we need, honeybees are a great resource for the honey that they provide, the pollination to the crops that they provide, and pretty much all the benefits that we get from wild natural honey will be just another tool in my arsenal to be prepared for whatever happens to come my way. So, as most of us know, honey has a lot of uses. I mean, everything from sweeteners to an antiseptic. You know, it has fantastic antiseptic properties. You can purchase this from Long Lane Honey Bee Farms. If you just do a Google search for them, you'll find them. But what I liked about them is their prices aren't bad, and the hives come pre-built, pre-assembled, pre-painted. So it's literally open up the box, stick it together, and add bees. Things can happen with bees. By getting my bees locally, I'm hoping that their first winter, which won't be this coming winter, but the following winter, will be that they'll be able to weather the storm, you might say, and survive the winter being local bees. So I have joined my local beekeeping association, and I'm taking this time to learn all that I can about beekeeping. And like I said, I do want to start 2 of these hives. And in actuality, what's going to happen is I'm going to start one, and Vaxel 95, as y'all know, he's my foster son. He's actually going to buy a hive, and we're starting 2 hives together. Now, I do have the feeder that will go in there. The great thing about this kit is when you buy this stuff, I bought what they called, I believe it's a Liberty kit. So you get this deep hive body. You get the inner cover and the telescoping cover. This here, your restrictor, your hat, your veil, your smoker, and smoker material as a standalone kit, a starter kit. I went ahead and purchased the second deep hive body. I believe that was $59. And then I purchased the 2 honey supers. Those I believe are $55 a piece. And in another box around here somewhere I have my queen excluder. So I'm fully set up to start this hive. And it should be, you know, a very interesting experience and a new hobby, you might say, in beekeeping, and have some beneficial properties as well with being able to harvest the honey, use the honey, maybe even sell some honey. So I'm looking forward to next spring, or midwinter actually, when I actually get to order my bees in December or January, placing the order for my bees and getting ready to you know, accept those in the spring and get this hive up and running. And then we'll be bringing y'all kind of a newbie's perspective of beekeeping, the challenges that I go through. I'll probably try to run a series on my beekeeping experiences, what challenges I find throughout the summer and into the fall and during the winter on keeping bees. Should be kind of interesting. And I hope y'all will come along for the journey and learn with me. Will you survive whatever comes your way? I sure hope so. This is a Massachusetts prepper saying, take care all.